Try to make friends.
Want a Dorito?
Hey everyone! The new kid's handing out Doritos!
Doritos?
Doritos!
The National Austanian Institute of Plate Tectonics in Los Curos has detected/issued an earthquake warning for Jackal County, Armastaden County, Paterson County, Dulavarch County, Edmonton County, Los Curos County, Greenfest County. Until 11:25 p.m. At 4 p.m. the National Austanian Institute of Plate Tectonics NAIPT indicated an 8.5 magnitude earthquake on the Richter scale capable of producing a heavy amount of damage. Be advised to keep shelter and grab hold of anything with handles and upper shelter such as tables and chairs. This is not a drill and you are highly unadvised to evacuate. Falling objects are of your concern, do not aid others as this may increase your chances of not surviving. Local authorities will ensure safety once the earthquake is ended.